here, Property Result Investments. Just thought I'd give you our weekly update to see what's been going on this last week. Again, it's still been busy. We have had some more properties in and we've had some more properties out. So just to give you a bit of idea, I had a property in on Sunderland, a nice 2-bed end terrace in what we call the Farringdon area, which is South Sunderland. Lady wanted to sell that. We've already agreed a sale on that because we've got some people that were looking for an additional house. We've just sold 2 pairs of flats in Sunderland to these doctors, and they wanted another one, and they've took that. So you have to be, pretty much on the ball if you want a property these days. Just to let you know that Friday an Essex Landlord came out to the northeast to meet me, wanted to sell some of these properties. Now we're currently evaluating them. That means we've gone through all the values. And, we only take properties on that we know a good value for you investors. So it has to be priced right. So that will be. I'll be going through that this next week, and hopefully we can agree some deals, and they will be coming available shortly. We had another one in Hartlepool, another nice tourist property. I went to see. We've actually just signed that up on Friday. I haven't even put it out to you guys yet. I haven't had a chance. But this is a nice 2-bed in Penman Street. Now the guy that's selling it's his mother's moved out and she's elderly, but it's in really nice condition. You expect to have properties like this to be very dated. This one is slightly a little dated, but it's not. It's got nice, lovely grey carpets, a lot of white paint, but really, really in tip-top condition. I don't always come along across them like that, as you well know. So really, what I'm saying is, this is going to go to out to you this next week, and it will sell straight away. You have nothing to do on it, nothing to do. You probably need a gas certificate, which homeowners are not compelled to have, so you will need a gas certificate. I don't see a problem with that. It looks a fairly new boiler, and it's like I said, in really good condition. Nice carpets down. I could actually say there's nothing to do. They've moved some furniture out, but they'll be moving maybe the dining room table and stuff like that, and there's a 3-piece. We might even negotiate that for a buyer, because very, very nice. All nice mirrored wardrobes and very big rooms, and an upstairs bathroom. So that's not always the case, and it's very, very nice, and that's going to be a good investment. The price on it, it's going to be about 34,000 plus our fees. There's one for sale, a 3-bed in the street for sale, although it's well overvalued. There's a 3-bed at I think over 60,000, 64,000. Now, I think that the true market values is about 48, 50,000 for these properties in good condition. So somebody will get a nice BMW bargain there. So, and it will rent. It'll rent all day long, £350, £400 a month. So nice yield. What else have we got? Yes, I met another guy that's got a very old hall in Wadham, near where I live, the other day, and the lease with the previous owner just come to an end, and he's moved away, leaseholder, and this chap, he lives down in Sussex, and we're very interested in taking this as a holiday let. The previous leaseholder did run it as a holiday let for about 3 years and was quite successful. It was run through, used an agency called Sykes Country Cottages, which is probably the upmarket agency, quite good. And they said, look, to the new owner, he's also made inquiries, we can let this at least 30 weeks of the year, and you will get between £700 and £1,100 a week. So that's food for thought, and the owner's quite interested in doing a deal, and we're interested in doing a deal on that. It's a real old hall. Just 1 or 2 concerns, because it's big, it's going to be costly to heat and costly to run, so we need to get our figures right. And also we're having a marketing spell from September. August is usually very quiet, people are on holiday. But like I say, we still sell. I've just done a viewing this morning in Newcastle on a nice 2-bedroom flat in the West End, in Strathmore Street. I hadn't pulled out, you know, I'd done 3 viewings, 3 block viewings this morning. I drove away after the last one and I didn't get, you know, half a mile and I had an offer. Now I don't, as you probably know, I don't take offers. The price is the price. So I said, you know, come back, that's the price. He's going to have a think about it, but I tell you what, I better sell that tomorrow. That's probably all I've got this week. Like I said, some nice properties coming in, and I expect once September comes, activity will pick up. So if you want to have a chat any time, you've got my number below. Just you know, give me a call, no obligation, and we'll have a chat. That's all for this week.